Hi guys, today we will see one of the very popular problem in Leetcode, maximum product subarray. So let's read the problem. Given an integer array nums, find the contiguous subarray within an array containing at least one number which has the largest product. So they have given some array, we have to find the product of the contiguous subarrays that's gonna give the maximum product. Contiguous subarray means the number should be continuous. We will not accept if we find something like 2 into 4. We have to multiply the terms which are next to one another, that is contiguous terms. So for this array 2 comma 3 comma minus 2 comma 4, the answer is 6 because 2 into 3 gives us 6. That's going to be maximum because if you multiply this 2 into 3 with minus 2, it's going to be negative number. Or if you find any other subarrays here, everything is going to be negative. So the maximum possible product can be 6. So 6 is the answer. Let's consider the example 2. Minus 2 comma 0 comma minus 1. Here if you're multiplying the contiguous subarrays like minus 2 into 0 or 0 into minus 1, we are going to get 0. So this is going to be the maximum. And as they said, the result cannot be 2 because minus 2 and minus 1 are not a subarray. Yeah, they are not contiguous items as well. So just we cannot consider multiplying them. So this is the basic examples. Let me explain the algorithm behind this problem in whiteboard quick so that we can go into problem. Here we have three cases. Case 1, just consider an array containing all positive elements. So if you want to know the max possible product at this index, just you can see it's the current number because it's the first element, the current number 2, and it's going to be the maximum possible element at this index. Okay, let's go to this index. Here, if we know the previous max, we can just multiply our previous max with our current term to find the current maximum element. For example, previous max is 2, so current element is 3, so 2 into 3 6. 6 is greater than 2, so we will keep 6 as our current maximum element. Okay, let's go further. So here let's go to the next element 4. Here if we know our previous max, that is 2 into 3 6, just multiply our 6 into 4, we will get the answer. Obviously when we go to 5, just by knowing the previous max, 2 into 3 into 4, it's going to be 24. 24 into 5 will give us the answer. This is a very straightforward case. In this case, just we need to know only previous max element, we are done. But just consider a case where we have negative numbers. So this will not act very similar to our case 1 because at this point the maximum number can be minus 2 because itself. At this point, I mean at the index minus 3, the maximum element can be itself 3 because previous max element is minus 2, comparing minus to 3 is greater. At this point the previous max is 3, so just multiply 3 into 4, 12. So we will get the next maximum element. At this point, if you are multiplying the previous max is 12. 12 into minus 5, you will not get the desired product, which is going to be desired maximum product. No, we will not get that. To get a desired maximum product, we must multiply minus 2 into 3 into 4 into minus 5. So at this element, we must know the previous min product to get the max product. For example, at this point, previous min product will be minus 2 into 3 into 4. By just multiplying this current element with previous minimum product, we will get the desired answer. So in this case, previous max tracing alone will not give you the answer. You must trace previous minimum as well. This is case 2. Then let's go to case 3. Just consider a case you have 0. So when you have something like 0, automatically whatever the output you got or product output you got before this term will become 0 at this point. So we are going to restart from here again. Let it be your first element for your next contiguous array, and you will multiply and check if you can get something, some product higher than the product that you already have. These are the three basic cases you must consider before writing code for this problem. So in nutshell, I can tell to complete this problem, just we need 4 integer variables just like that. Just you need something called previous minimum, previous max, current minimum and current max. And obviously we need some integer called element to just return our result. just we have to write return the answer based on computations we performed with these four elements. So the expression can be current max. To find the current max, it will be the maximum of current number or current number multiplied with previous maximum product or current number multiplied with previous minimum product. Same thing for if you consider current minimum can be minimum of current number multiplied with previous max, current number multiplied with previous minimum. That's it. Let's enter Leetcode to check how it goes. So as we discussed, we need four attributes to start our problem. Let it be let it called current max. Let it be our first element of the array, because they have mentioned this array is gonna contain at least one element. So in case if it has only one element, the first element can be the max. So current minimum, let it be also our first element. Then we have something called result. So let it be the first element. And we should know previous max as well. So previous max, let it be 0. Previous min, let it be or we can just give or we can just assign our first element, not a problem. So it's our wish, just arbitrarily we can assign. So int I is equal to 1 less than. Yeah, we are going to loop and we are going to do some computation. In case if the element size is 1, we are not going to enter anywhere, just we are going to return our result. It's going to be the first element. In case we have more than one element, let's find current max. It's gonna be the max of current element, that is I, and I star prev max, comma, prev min. Cool. Then we will find the current min. Current element, multiplied with previous maximum and current element multiplied with previous minimum. So the result will be math.max of the existing result, comma, current max. So what will be our prev max? Obviously, when we are going for iteration, we will assign our current max as previous max element and we will continue to iterate and find our new current max. So prev min will be our current min. Yes, that's it. We are done, guys. But this math.max function of Java will take only 2 arguments. Here we have 3 arguments. So let's do like this. Yeah. Same thing with math.min. So math.min. Yes, we are done. Hopefully everything is correct. So just we have 2 expressions. we are following the result. While iteration, we are assigning them to prev max and prev min, returning result. Yeah, cool. Oh, where we missed this? Ah, return spelling mistakes. Okay, I think it should be fine now. Yeah, let's submit. We are getting something wrong answer. What happened? So just we are multiplying with prev max, prev min, prev max, prev min. Oh, it should be math.min. Oh, sorry guys, it should be math.min because you're going to find the current. So yes, accepted. That's it guys. Have a fun time. Thank you so much.